Be this loser. Design a victim. I would love to design a victim. Yes! Be sure to read every sign you see. You never know when one will say something useful. Okay. Oh, they just kill me. Okay. Holy lag. Dude! Jeez, dude! Oh my god! Oh, no, bro. Okay. What if I just... Yeah! There we go. What are you looking at? Oh, are you kidding me, dude? I don't think my avatar appreciates getting... Yeah! Thank you. Okay. This game is what makes the tree sentient? I would love to know what in this universe makes the trees really come alive. I hit it. Oh my gosh. Why is that? No, but why? Where did you come from? I'm so good. Okay, now what are you gonna do? Fuck! No! You... No. What? You tentacly bitch! It is just a game. It cannot hurt you. Why are you killing me? If you get stuck, press tab and check for trees. I do not trust them. I will shove my finger! No, I'm not finishing that. How do you... What the... Why are you so fast? What? Where did you come from? What did I do to the trees? I am a green individual. Why are you fast all of a sudden, nobody? You neglected Christmas for having us! This is fine. Everything about this game is fine, finally. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means to me. What? I didn't know you could get along with. So I need to take the... Where did you come? Is there anything that makes it indicative that they're gonna be there? Or is it meant to be random? Is it meant to be unpredictable so that you, the player, me, suffer indefinitely? Do they all just do that? Is it... I want to get creative with my anger. But the only words going through my mind are fuck for its encapsulation of all material that makes this game come to life. Bitch! I'm not going for that coin anymore. I am severely depraved in terms of my throat right now. I have no words. Just let me finish this so I can make a quick recording. Oh my gosh. Let me finish. Please. My sanity, my self-worth, everything right now. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Watch this. You bitch! At what point does anger become nothing but useless yelling, materialized from this game meant to instill the utmost rage an individual has, to take control of the life you're given, to simultaneously suffer along with it! That's what I think of your game. For how it makes me feel. No, in all seriousness, this reminds me of Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. If you know, you know. This is a great, challenging game, and I will not let it get the best of me. It is just a game, as I've stated before. There's nothing more worthwhile than seeing the satisfaction of that flag rise, because I made the correct combination of choices at the right times to beat this level. Oh my gosh. Why do you hate me? I made my guitar vibrate with my vocals. Do you realize how much it takes to make a guitar foster its own noise with vocal cords while it is maybe 5 yards away? The raw emotion that comes from playing this game, dear viewer, this does more than meets the eye. Do I have to keep moving? I think that's what I have to do. I think I just have to keep moving. I see it. Huh? Okay. Finally! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This loser. Try and get me. Watch out. Thank you everybody so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. I will play this only if this gets 10 likes. You heard me, 10 likes in. Yeah, sequel. Bye.